Good evening, students. In this video lecture, we will try to find out the different shape and sizes of the cell. NCERT has already mentioned some shape and sizes. I want to ask you the question कि how many different types of shapes you remember of cell? Okay, I got the answer. You are only remembering that much of the shapes of the cells which are mentioned in case of NCERT. NCERT has mentioned number 1 disc shape, number 2 cuboidal, number 3 columnar, number 4 polygonal and number 5 thread shape. इसके अलावा भी एनसीईआरटी ने कुछ शेप्स जो है वो डायग्राम में मेंशन करके रखे हुए हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल एनसीईआरटी हैज मेंशन बाइकॉनकेव इन केस ऑफ आरबीसी, एनसीईआरटी हैज मेंशन अमीपॉइड इन केस ऑफ डब्ल्यूबीसी, उसके बाद में इलोंगेटेड सेल्स ट्रचीड मेंशन करके रखे हुए हैं और ओवल शेप के लिए मेसोफिल सेल्स का एग्जांपल एनसीईआरटी ने दिया है. लेकिन क्या बस इतने ही है? The answer is no. There are so many shapes and size of cells which we will encounter in further NCERT syllabus. बहुत से shapes और size है जो पूरे syllabus में हमारे पास आते रहेंगे. What I am trying to do कि I will put all that information in this one video lecture so that you will get familiarized with all the shapes and size. लेकिन ये सारे shapes हमें रट्टा मार के रखने पड़ेंगे. वो information है कि जो हमको रटनी ही पड़ती है. I will again ask you the same question. यही क्वेश्चन मैं आपको वीडियो लेक्चर खत्म होने के आखिरी में भी पूछूंगा कि how many shapes and size you remember about cells. उस टाइम पे आपका आंसर अलग होगा. So let's try to find out various shapes of the cell. तो अगर हमको shapes ध्यान में रखने हैं cells के तो हमको एक कनेक्शन चाहिए. हम क्या करेंगे, हम ज्योमेट्री के शेप जो हमको ऑलरेडी फैमिलियर है उससे हम बायोलॉजिकल सेल्स के कनेक्शंस बनाएंगे. सो इफ यू ट्राई टू रिमेंबर सम ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर्स तो द फर्स्ट फिगर व्हिच कम्स टू आवर माइंड इज सर्कुलर और राउंड. सो ऐसा कोई सेल है क्या बायोलॉजी में जो सर्कुलर होगा और राउंड होगा? The answer is yes. The example of this particular type of cell is goblet cell. Goblet cell is a mucus secreting cell. It is very important MCQ. Goblet, गोल आकार के कारण इनको गॉबलेट सेल बोलते हैं. ये म्यूकस सीक्रेटिंग सेल्स हैं जो हमारे रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट में, यूरोजेनिटल ट्रैक्ट में और डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट्स में प्रेजेंट रहते हैं. इनके ऊपर हमेशा MCQ आता है कि goblet cells are circular round shaped cells which are mucus secreting cells. The next geometrical figure which comes to our mind is cube. Cuboidal cells. Cuboidal cells, the example of such type of cell is cuboidal epithelium. This lines our so many organs in our body. जो लाइनिंग का काम है organs के वो epithelial tissue करता है और epithelial tissue का एक टाइप है cuboidal cells. The second shape which comes into our mind is rectangle. तो rectangle में दो चीजें हो जाती है. अगर if we put a rectangle flat horizontally then that particular type of cell is flat cell which is also called as squamous cells. The example is again squamous epithelium. Or if we put a rectangle in a vertical fashion, here we are putting the rectangle in a horizontal fashion, and in this case we are putting the rectangle in vertical fashion, so we get a narrow base and more height. Such type of cells are called as columnar cells. Again they are part of lining epithelium, that is columnar epithelium. Cuboidal cell will look like a cube. They will have a height and base in equal proportion, but columnar epithelium will have a narrow base and more height. The next geometrical figure which we encounter is cone shape. Example for these type of cells are cone cells of retina. There are three types of cone cells in retina: red, green and blue. So ये example है cone shape of cells के. Then we will have number 5. We will have oval shape. The example of such type of cells are mesophyll cells, oval or egg shape. Example is again eggs. Okay. The next geometrical shape which comes to our mind is number 6. We are having hexagonal. The example of such category is hepatocytes. Hepatocytes are the cells of liver which is hexagonal in shape. The next example which comes to our mind is pyramidal. The example of this category is secretory cells. Then of digestive tract. Then the next example which comes to our mind is fusiform or spindle shape, we can say. This is a very particular shape. This type of cell is having a bulgy center and tapering ends. See, both the ends are tapering and they are bulgy in the center. So example of these cells is smooth muscle fiber. Hepatocytes, they are hexagonal in shape. Then pyramidal shape, they will look like a pyramid. That is triangular. These cone shaped cells will look like this. Okay. Then the next example which comes to our mind is elongated cells. These cells are elongated like this. They are not having the tapering ends. The example is striated muscle fibers. See, smooth muscle fibers are spindle shape and striated muscle fibers are elongated cells. Then the next example is star shape. Star. The word in biology used for star is aster. So to remember the word aster, whenever you come to encounter this word, it always means the same thing, that is star shape. The example is astro. Astrocytes. Astrocytes are present in brain. They do the work of repairing. They are the neuroglial cell which helps in the work of in the function of repairing the brain tissue in case of damage. So they are the astrocytes. They are typically star-shaped cells. Do remember, astro means star, and I already told you astro means star, cytes means cell. So astrocytes are the cell which are star-shaped. Then the next example which comes to our mind is biconcave. This particular shape is also called as dumbbell shape. Why it is called as dumbbell shape? It is concave from both the sides. Means on this side it is concave, and from this side it is also concave, and so it will look like a dumbbell That's why it is called as dumbbell shaped cell. The example is human RBC. Then इसके अगर उल्टा कर दिया तो we are having pi convex shape. Now in this case what we are having कि this cell is convex on both the side like this. It is somewhat like disc or oval type of cell, but it is convex from both the side. Very important example. Example is again the RBC of frog or camel. So these are the very important example. In case of RBC of frog, the RBC of frog is biconvex, and in human case the RBC is biconcave. Then the next shape which we are having is hair-like shape or fibrous shape. The example is trichids or sclerenchyma fibers. Then the next example is if a cell is irregular in shape, such type of shape is called as polygonal. Poly means many, gonal means shape. Such type of cells are also called as amoeboid. The example is amoeba or WBC. Is number 15. We are having comma shape. So the cell will look like a comma. Example is Vibrio. Then the next shape is spiral. Spiral shape. Here the cell will look like a spring. So example is spirochete. It is a bacteria. Then we are having E shape. Or they are also called as bean shape. For example, the cell will look like this, guard cell. In case of stomata, they will look like kidney or bean. Then we are here now we are having some special type of shapes in case of cells. Number 18, we can have a cell with cytoplasmic process. So the cell will look like key. Here there are some cytoplasmic process. Here there are some cytoplasmic process. Such type of cells, example is oligodendrocytes. These cells are also present in brain. They are a new part of neuroglial cells. We can have patient type neuron. So neuron will have its typical shape. Then we are having a special type sleeper shape. You are all familiarized with this shape. The cell will look like a sleeper. Example is paramecium. Then a special type is sperm. Sperm will have its typical shape. It will have head, neck, and a tail. So these are some special type of cell. So after completing this video, you are now familiarized with at least 21 टाइप ऑफ सेल्स, इतने भी अगर हमने लर्न कर लिए तो ये भी हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा। एंड इन द कोर्स, जैसे जैसे हमारा कोर्स आगे जाएगा वैसे वैसे हम इन सेल्स के बारे में डिटेल में जानकारी लेंगे, बट ऑब्वियसली लेकिन अभी इस फिलहाल में बेसिक के लिए इतने टाइप्स लर्न करना आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है। नाउ आफ्टर दिस वी विल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट सम sizes of the cell।